What happens to your brain when you stop sleeping? It's not just about feeling tired or having slower reflexes. The breakdown starts deep inside your mind, long before you even realize you're exhausted. Let's start with just one night. After a single sleepless night, your brain's ability to manage emotions begins to crumble. The amygdala, which handles fear and aggression, goes into overdrive. At the same time, the logical, rational parts of your brain start to weaken. This means small, everyday problems can suddenly feel like major threats. Your emotions become much more intense and harder to control. You might feel irritable, anxious, or just overwhelmed by things that normally wouldn't bother you. Now, let's push it to 24 hours. At this point, the communication network inside your brain starts to fail. Think of it like a city's power grid flickering on and off. Your neurons, the messengers of the brain, struggle to send signals efficiently. Your reaction time slows down dramatically, making even simple decisions becomes a challenge, and your ability to form new memories weakens. Your brain is technically awake, but it's no longer functioning as a coherent, unified system. It's like an orchestra where every instrument is playing a different tune. What about 36 hours without sleep? This is where things get really strange. Your perception of reality begins to distort. Your brain enters a state that's surprisingly similar to being intoxicated. You might start to experience mild hallucinations, seeing shadows move in the corner of your eye or hearing faint whispers that aren't there. Sounds might seem unnaturally loud, and bright lights can feel intensely uncomfortable. Your brain is so desperate for rest that it starts to inject fragments of dreams directly into your waking consciousness. You're awake, but you're also dreaming. Let's double that to 48 hours, to full days without sleep. The danger escalates significantly. The prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for logic, planning, and self-control, starts to shut down large sections of its activity. It's like the CEO of your mind has just walked out of the office. Your brain switches into pure survival mode, prioritizing basic functions over complex reasoning. Your judgment completely collapses. You might find yourself taking huge risks without a second thought. At this stage, your immune system is severely weakened, your hormones are thrown into chaos, and your brain is struggling just to maintain your body's internal stability. You'll also start experiencing microsleeps, brief, involuntary moments where your brain just shuts down for a few seconds, often without you even noticing. This is incredibly dangerous if you're doing anything that requires attention, like driving. Now, for the critical point, 72 hours, 3 days without sleep. Your brain enters a state of neurological crisis. Your memories start to fragment and disconnect. You might struggle to remember what happened just a few minutes ago. Your speech can become jumbled and disorganized, making it hard to form coherent sentences. Your brain completely loses its ability to tell the difference between imagination and reality. The line blurs, and you can no longer trust what you see or hear. This isn't just extreme fatigue anymore. This is a full-blown neurological breakdown. So, you see, sleep isn't just about rest. It's not a luxury. Sleep is essential maintenance for your brain. It's the time when your mind repairs itself, consolidates memories, and flushes out toxins. Without it, your brain doesn't just slow down, it completely unravels. So please, prioritize your sleep. It's one of the most important things you can do for your mental and physical health. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves.